Hi, my name is Alex Geith, and today I will be reviewing HackerRank.com's Developer Skills Report. This is an individual website that they set up just for this report. This site features a large focal image on the right-hand side that has lots of texture, and it offers great perspective as it makes me feel kind of pulled back from the web page and makes me feel like I'm in an environment rather than just a website. It's very heavy weighted to the right, making it very asymmetrical, almost too asymmetric in my opinion. I see where they tried to offset this with the logo and this menu on the left-hand side, but I don't think it does a very good job as I keep kind of getting drawn back to this image, although it gets ditched later on in the experience. The first thing that caught my attention after the focal point of the image over here on the right hand side was how I knew that this was a menu on the left. And I think how they did that was the contrast in filling this icon in and having the rest of them blank made me feel like I was sort of at a place and that I had more places to go. And so I think intuitively I just knew this was the menu, even though the menu names were not displayed when I first came to the page, nor were they in a sort of traditional area of where the menu would be. As you scroll through the report experience, it has very vibrant use of color. These bold greens, I really enjoy them. I really enjoy the body copy style choices they used with the heavy leading and pretty large kerning. Leading that would probably be bigger than I think most people would use for web design, but I think it's a lot more space for the eye and a lot more comfortable to read. Again, I think they do great with typography choice and contrast and making the bold, and then the regular stroke and really telling me where this table of contents is and giving me a nice hierarchy through the use of contrast with typeface. I also like the similar use of imagery on the right-hand side, giving me some sort of unity between different pages and different menu items on the website. The graphs are very easy to understand and very well laid out. They correlate with what's going on in the body copy. At some points in times, the logo over here on the right-hand side interacts with some of them graphs, but it's not too displaced or too off-putting to me as a user. It'd be nice to see if other people thought the same way. Overall, I think it was a great website and very well designed. I like that the layout sort of changes as we go on and get more involved. My one big concern, or one area that I did not like, is as we go through, they sort of start introducing more colors that I don't think are very cohesive with the color scheme they used before. It might be a little too much for the senses for me, especially when it comes to seeing the bold greens and then the bold blues put together. But all in all, I think it was a very well-designed site with very nice modern typography choices, and I would put this at one of my list of top 5 websites I've seen. Thanks for sharing with me today.